Alright guys, so I've got this Redragon K596 Pro in my hands, and I've been putting it through its paces for a while now. First impressions? This thing feels surprisingly solid for the price. It's got that nice weighty feel, doesn't feel cheap or plasticky at all. And the TKL design? Perfect. Frees up a ton of desk space, which is a lifesaver for me. Plus, it makes it super easy to take with you if you're gaming on the go. Now, let's talk about the connectivity. This bad boy has 3 modes: wired USB-C, Bluetooth 5.0, and 2.4 GHz wireless. Having all those options is fantastic. I mainly use the 2.4 GHz wireless for gaming, and the connection has been rock solid. No lag, no dropouts, nothing. Bluetooth is great for connecting to my phone or tablet, and the wired mode is there if you need it. Switching between modes is super simple too. The Redragon K596 Pro comes with red switches, which are linear and smooth. They feel pretty responsive, and I haven't noticed any mushiness. The best part? They're hot swappable, so if you decide you want a different feel down the line, you can easily swap them out without any soldering. Huge plus for customization. And speaking of customization, let's talk about the macro keys. You get 10 of them, 5 near the WASD keys and 5 along the top. They're fully programmable, so you can set up complex macros for your favorite games or even just simple shortcuts for everyday tasks. It's a really nice touch, especially for a keyboard in this price range. The included wrist rest is also a welcome addition. It's magnetic, so it snaps on and off easily, and it's surprisingly comfortable. It definitely helps reduce wrist strain during those long gaming sessions. Battery life is pretty decent too. Redragon claims up to 10 hours of playtime, and I've found that to be pretty accurate. Obviously, it depends on your RGB lighting settings, but even with the lights cranked up, I've been getting a solid day's use out of it before needing to recharge. Now, are there any downsides? Well, the software could be a little more intuitive. It's not terrible, but it takes a bit of getting used to. Also, the keycaps are ABS plastic, which can get a bit shiny over time. But honestly, for the price, these are minor nitpicks. Overall, the Redragon K596 Pro is a fantastic keyboard. It's got a great feature set, solid build quality, and a surprisingly affordable price tag. If you're looking for a versatile wireless mechanical keyboard that won't break the bank, I highly recommend checking this one out. It's definitely punching above its weight class. So yeah, that's my take on the Redragon K596 Pro. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.